Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today again we're going to be talking about how to find stocks before they actually wake up or before they explode. So, in today's video, again we are going to be having something else, not like every single screener that is on my channel. If you go check out my screener videos about FINVIZ, you will see that not a single video is like kind of done again and again. Every single time I make a video about the screeners is basically another screener that has a big potential to be huge, and how you can actually make money out of the stocks. Okay, so what you want to do, enough talking, okay, let's just get straight into it. What you want to do is go on finviz.com, as I am on right now on the homepage, and from here on, all you need to do is go on screener right here. You go finviz.com and you go on screener, okay, and right here you have a lot of options. What you want to do is click on all right here, and we are going to be filling in overall six filters into these five columns that we have right here. And every single time I fill something, I will be talking about like what am I feeling and all the other stuff. When it's Sunday, the market is closed, but like nobody cares about this, so let's get straight into it. So first of all, in this first column, like what we want to fill out is the no. Let's just start with the 200 day moving average. Okay, so what we want to fill out right here is the 200 um day simple moving average. Okay, and what we want to do right here is to get the to estimate to be the below the 200 estimate to be below the 50 estimate. Okay, so we want to below, let me just find okay, right here we found it. So we want to click on that. That's the first thing that we want to do, basically. So what will that indicate us? What will that indicate us will be the second thing. So from here on, what we want to fill out next, and if you don't know what the 200-day simple moving average is, basically the 200-day simple moving average of a closing price is the mean of the previous 200 days closing prices. Okay, so kind of overall average on of the closing prices from the last 200 days. Okay, so you can have a rough understanding about how the stocks are moving and all the other stuff, and how the trend is going with this moving average right here. Okay, so we got that. I guess this is the moving average right here, the yellow line. Okay, so the orange line, I guess. Okay, so what we want to do right here is fill out this, the 50-day simple moving average, basically the same thing. Is the mean of the previous 50 days of the closing prices overall the average. So what you want to click right here, you want it to be the below the SMA 20, okay, you want to be to below the SMA 20. And the third thing that you want to fill out right here is for the price to be above the SMA 20. Okay, so what will that indicate us? Well, basically, like if you go on trading view or so, you know what, get back on the new tab right here, go and search out for, like, for example, what should I search? Let's go to with VU, the S&P 500, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. So I want to search on that, and for example, if you go on indicators right here and we search on the SMA on 200, 50 and 20. Okay, so we have that. Okay, as you see right here, SMA 250 and 20. So we click on them, and as you see, this is how the moving averages are looking at. Well, are looking at. Oh my God, are looking like right now. So it kind of seems hard for me to kind of find this fifth moving average right here. Because it's black. Okay, let me find it out for you to be kind of, let's say, orange. Okay, orange will do the thing. So as you can see, the green right here is the 200 moving average. Here we have the 50 moving average and the 20 moving average. So this is basically what we did on the screen right here. We kind of set for the 200-day simple moving average to be below the 50 moving average. As you can see, we have the 200 moving average is below the 50 moving average, and we said right here that the 50-day simple moving average to be below the 20-day simple moving average. Again, we are below the 20-day simple moving average. And what we did, we click on the price for the 20-day simple moving average. So we click for the 20-day simple moving average to be below the price. So this can basically tells us that of course this is a ATF. So we're going to be looking at stocks. Okay, as you see, we have some 2,510 stocks right here, but this is not it. Okay, these are only three things. So what we want to do from here on is the 52-week high and low. Okay, so what does that mean? That basically the maximum and the minimum of the previous 52 weeks highs and lows. And what we want to fill out right here is 0 to 5% to be the below the high. Okay, so let me find it out. Okay, right here, zero to before below the 1 year high. Okay, so as you can see right now, we have only 1,700 or 416 stocks right here, which is a pretty good thing. We're going to be taking a look at them on TradingView. This is why I had it, what I like, why I had it open. Okay, and like this, okay, the fifth thing that you want to fill out in these filters will be the average volume. Okay, we want what does the average volume mean? The average volume like basically means a number of shares traded in a secretary per day. Okay, secretary, yes, security per day. I don't know how to pronounce, but okay, so that's the average volume. How's the daily average? The daily average will be, of course, over 100. I sometimes go over for 500, but let's just go over 100. Over, not under, but over. Excuse me about that. So we want to fill out that for you like really quick. And the last thing that we want to fill out, it will be the sales growth quarter over quarter. Okay, right here. What does that mean? Let me just follow for you guys. So the quarter over quarter growth, or basically the what does the quarter mean? Basically a quarter. Oh my god! Basically a 3 months period. Okay, so from 3 months over 3 months growth. So like for it to be positive, for the company to be positive and to be above 0%. So we want for the quarter over quarter to be um, positive, and that's it. As you can see right here, we have 423 possible stocks that can move up. Okay, so let's just go and take a look at this ABT. This is a medical devices company. This is the name in the medical devices industry. There are Abbott Laboratories. I hope that's how you pronounce them, but let's just go and check them out. ABT, I guess. Yeah, just like that. So as you can see, we have the moving averages. You can go click on that. And as we saw, as we kind of did on the screener, we said that if for it to be 0 to 5% below the 52-week high, and as you can see, this is the 52-week high. So we can kind of mark it out for you guys. Okay, this is how it's like how it looks like at the moment, and like why of just below the 52-week high. But basically because if we surpass this high right here, if something like that happens, you know how the stocks move. They basically when they surpass it, they are here. We are going to be having a lot of power, a buying power, which will kind of push the price to the upside. Okay, it does not happen like every single time. Like that does not happen, but that's basically what happens most of the times. And you can basically just put some buy limits right here to kind of try to catch this move or so, but we don't know what will be happening, right? So this is just a great kind of filter to tell you what you want to do. This is another like this can be a possible buy for you if you want to day traders. So basically before this stock wakes up, how we saw it like at the beginning, how we said that. Okay, as you can see, the 200-day moving average is below the 50, and the 50 is below the 20. And as you can see over here, this is the daily chart. Okay, but here if you go to the 4 hour time frame, we will not see that as we said. So we said that to the 20-day moving average to be below the price, but here on the 4 hour time frame we cannot see that. But as you see, we can see that on the daily chart, and the higher the time frame, the stronger the confluence is or the catalyst. Okay, so I hope it makes sense for today's video. Go out, try for yourself. Okay, and basically it's a great scanner that you can try. Peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.